operand is specified in the instruction itself. That is called immediate mode. Understood or not?
Yeah, ma'am.
So next, register mode. What is meant by register mode? Where operand is specified in the registers. Okay, see here, register mode, move R1, R2. So operand R1, whatever content we are having in the R1, that is an operand here. That is moved to the R2. Okay, so register or use a temporary storage location where the data and register are accessed. So move R1, R2 is copy the content of register R1 to R2. Understood?
Yeah, ma'am.
So what is a register mode? What is meant by register mode?
It registers the value and moves it to the
No, here the
given value.
operand is specified in the register. Here the operand is specified in the registers. Okay, operand is a content of the register. Understood?
Yeah, ma'am.
So in immediate, where is operand? In the immediate, where is operand? Operand is in the instruction. In the register mode, where is operand?
Register.
Yeah, register. So move R1. R1 is a operand here. The content of the register R1 is moved to the R2. Next is direct mode. Direct mode means from the memory, operand is in the memory location. From the memory location, we have to fetch and place it in the particular register. That is called as absolute mode or direct mode. So operand is in the memory location. So in memory location means, what did I tell you before? It should be in a address. So here in the content of the address location, content of the location LOC will be moved to the register R2. That is called direct mode. See here, content of the like this. See here. So here what will happen? The content of the memory location. What is the content of the memory location? LOC?
2.
2. 2
Oh,
will
ma'am.
be placed in R1. That's what it is an immediate mode. So, sorry, absolute mode. Understood? Understood? What are the three modes we have seen now? Immediate mode, register mode, absolute mode. Can anybody explain immediate mode? Can anybody explain immediate mode? Tell me. Can anybody explain immediate mode? Ask Afifa. Tell me. Jayant. Safina.
The operand is given to the instruction.
Operand is given in the instruction. Can you give an example?
Move 200 to R0.
So what will happen? Where is the operand here? Operand is
R0.
Oh, yen. Operand is 200. So operand is nothing but value in which we are operating is called operand. So here the value is 200. 200 is an operand where we are placing it in the register or not. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now register mode, can anybody explain? Mohammed Jabir. Mohammed Jabir.
Ma'am, the operand is given in the register only, ma'am.
So explain it.
Example, move R1, R0, ma'am. R1 is moved to R1 and R2 are operated and it's placed in R2, ma'am.
Operated illa. Content of R1. Suppose R1 is having a
Content,
value 5.
yeah, ma'am.
That will be placed in R2. That's all.
R2.
Then absolute mode. Who is telling? Gagan.
It shows the value of a particular operand.
Absolute mode. Now I taught, no? Now I taught. Tell me properly.
The operand in the memory location is showed.
So operand is in the memory location. From the memory location, we have to fetch and the place in the register. See here, move LOC, R1. So LOC is the address of the memory location. What is the content of the LOC?
R1.
Content of LOC?
2, ma'am. 2.
2. That will be placed in? That will be placed in?
R1, ma'am.
That's all. Next, indirect mode. Now indirect mode. This is a direct mode. Indirect mode is nothing but, see here, listen carefully. I will explain with the board. Content. So this is for indirect mode. I am explaining. Okay, listen carefully. Sir, reduce ಮಾಡಿ sir. See here now, listen carefully. First, the instruction is add. This is an indirect mode. Remember, this is an indirect mode. So see the first instruction, add within the bracket R1, R0. That means R1, whatever value is there, okay, that value, it is a memory location actually. It is not the direct value. That's why it is called as indirect mode. In the R1, it contains a memory location. To that memory location, you go fetch the operand. That is called as indirect mode. It is not the direct operand. And this indirect mode always specify with a simple bracket. Add R1, comma R0. In R1, what is the value we are having? In R1, what is the value?
LOC, ma'am.
LOC. So it is nothing, but it's a memory location. So it will go to the memory location, fetch the content, add it with the R0 and place the result in R0. No, LOC, what is the value we are having?
4.
4. So 4 will be added with the R0. So suppose R0 is having 6. R0 is having 6. So 6 plus 4 will be added and placed in R0. That's all. Got it?
Yeah, ma'am.
Now tell me, anybody can explain indirect mode? Very important one. So this is called as effective address. The address in which the operand is placed is called as effective address. What is called an effective address? The instruction gives the information from which the new address of the operand can be determined. This address is called as effective address. That instruction, see here, in R1 only we are having an address. So that address we are going and fetching it. That is called as effective address. Okay. So the register that contains the address is called a pointer. So that register is called as a pointer. Now can anybody can explain this? Indirect. Be louder, ma. Can anybody explain indirect mode?
The compiler will go to R1, ma'am. I mean,
Okay. No,
the
first see the instruction. Add
it will
content of
add
R1.
R1 and R1 and R0, ma'am. So
Okay.
it will go
In
to
R,
the
in
location.
R1, in
It
R1,
will
what is
open R1. It will go to the location, ma'am.
Mm.
Then it will take the value from the location 4 and add it with the R0 value. Then store the answer into the R0.
That's all. Got it, no? This is called as indirect mode. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Okay. What and all we have seen, which and all modes we have seen up to this? Register mode, absolute mode, immediate mode, indirect mode. So now we are going to see index mode. Index mode is very easy. Same thing, what did I tell? Same thing only, but we will add something called as offset here. Something called as offset or displacement. Same thing, what I mentioned in indirect mode, same thing. But we will add the displacement. Now tell me how to do this. Add 20 R1, R2. Now I will teach this one. 1 second. Add 20. This 20 is called as offset, which is used to find an effective address. Okay. In R1, what we are having? Location. So that particular location plus 20 will give the operand address. Suppose that location address is, suppose, 1 second. Suppose the location is nothing but 1000. This is only address, okay? It can, usually it will be in hexadecimal. So I'll put some 1000. So 1000. What is the offset we have mentioned? What is the offset we have mentioned here? What is the offset we have mentioned? 20 R1, no? So 1000 plus 20 is 1020. So in 1020 location, your operand is there. So it will go to the 1020 and fetch your operand. So in 1020, suppose 10 is there. So 10 will be added with 6 and give 16. Because R0 value is 6. So 10 is in memory effective address. Effective address is 1020. In that, what is the content? In that, what is
10,
the
ma'am.
content of the 1020?
10.
10. So 10 plus 6, R0 value is 6. So 6 plus 10 will be added. That is R0 value is 6. 6 plus 10, whatever retrieved value is 10. 6 plus 10 is added, 16 will come. That will be placed in R0. Got it?
Yeah, ma'am.
Now, can anybody explain this? Can anybody explain this? Can anybody explain this? Indirect line,
Yeah.
index move.
Yeah.
Now tell me.
So in the indirect mode, ma'am, it will
No,
come
it
to
is not
the
indirect. Indirect mode, what did I teach before?
index
It is
mode, ma'am.
index
Index
mode.
mode. So in index mode, the compiler will come to the first instruction, add 20 R1 brackets and R0, ma'am. So it will add the 20 to the address of the
Content
initial
of R1.
value. Yeah, ma'am, 1000. So it will go to 1020. Then it will add the value of 1020 with R0, which is 10. So it will store the value again back to R0.
That's all. This is called as index mode, where we will specify something called as offset to fetch the effective address. See here, effective address is nothing but X plus content of array. That's what we did. X is nothing but 20 here. And the content of array content is 1000. With that, we are adding 20, so it is 1020. Got it? Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
This is the effective address. Another version of index mode, which uses two register, usually here we will use only the register, that is base with the index mode. Second register is usually called the base register. Okay, second register is usually called the base register. So that means the content of the both the register will be added to get the effective address. Effective address means what? Address of the memory location from which the operand is fetched. So both the register content will be added to get the address. Got it? Got it?
Yeah,
What
ma'am.
we are doing here, effective address, how we are finding? Can anybody explain with base with index mode? I'll explain the whiteboard. Can I explain the whiteboard? Tell me. Hello? See, R2 50, 1 second. R2 50. So R1 1000. So R1 is 1000, R2 is 50. 1000 plus 50 will be added. That is that only operand is you have to fetch. So this is called as what mode? Base with index mode. What mode it is?
Base with index mode.
Base with index mode. Okay. Base with index mode.
Yeah, ma'am.
So content of the register is what? Here how I should specify? Content of R1, comma, content of R2. Both you should add it to fetch the address of the operand. So what is the content of R1? 1000. What is the content of R2?
50.
So 1000 plus 50. See, interact with me. Otherwise, very difficult. It's not the easy subject. You are all on what your learning stage. Only if you ask the doubts, you can learn things now. Simply be interactive. How I will know whether you understood or not? 1000 plus 50, 1050. So it will go to the 1050 and fetch the operand. This is a way you to fetch the operand. Got it? Got it?
Yeah, ma'am.
So now base with index and offset mode. That is nothing but same thing. We will add the offset. 20 I told you, you can add it here also. Suppose I can specify 650. So whatever address we have got it, with that 50 will be added. So it will become 1100. Effective address will become 1100. That is called base with index and offset mode, where we will specify the offset also. Then the next one, relative mode. Very easy one. Relative mode is effective address is determined using the PC here. Okay, is usually indicated by X of PC. X of PC. That is the way we will indicate where the effective address is determined using the PC. So whatever the content of PC, that is called the relative mode. See here, relative mode. I'll explain one second. Relative mode. What is meant by PC expansion? What is a PC expansion?
Program counter.
Program counter. So with the program counter, if you are determining the effective address, that is called as relative mode. See here, this one is X 20 of PC, 20 of PC, comma R0. R0 we are already having 6. Now tell me how to do this. Now tell me how to do this. What is the PC value?
PC value is 1000, ma'am.
1000 plus 20, because offset we are specifying here. In
Yeah.
relative mode, you can specify the offset, or if you're not specifying the offset, it's your wish. So 1000 plus 20, 1020. So 1020,
Then,
I have to fetch the data.
yeah, ma'am. Then we should
1020.
add that 1020's data with
Content of the
PC value.
1020 data, that is 5,
Yeah.
will be added with the R0, that is equal to 6. So 6 plus 5 will become 11.
11
That will be placed in R0.
R0. It will be replaced to R0.
That's all. Got it?
Yeah.
So can anyone explain all the modes? Can anybody explain the modes?
Ma'am, is offset determined, or do you have to put in some
No, it is not.
operations
It's
to
your wish.
find out
It's your
which?
It's your wish.
But at the end, you will still have to. It's a number that goes from current location to the incremented location to instruction, right?
No, offset. If you
The
want
instruction
some movement
location.
in the particular pointer value, suppose you want to change the address of the particular this one. If you want the displacement of that, then you can specify the offset. Otherwise, no need. Suppose your content is in 1010, but pointer is in 1000. So how much space you have to move? See, pointer is in the pointing to memory location 1000, but your content of the data is in 1010. How much memory location you have to move?
Hello.
How much memory location you have to move? Hello. How much memory location, Rohan? See, pointer is pointing to the memory location 1000, but the content is in 1010. How much memory location you have to move?
10 values we should move, ma'am.
So that's an offset. What, Rogan? You will ask a doubt and you will keep quiet. Open your mouth, no? After that, you didn't talk only. While asking doubt, you are talking so much. To you only, I'm asking, no? For you only, I'm explaining. You didn't respond only, Rohan. You only asked the doubt. You have to.
Disconnected.
Okay. Okay. So these are all the various modes. Now, can anyone explain?
Ma'am, index and relative both are same, no, ma'am? What is the difference, ma'am, in them?
In a very important question. Index, it can be it can be in any register, but relative mode always with respect to PC, program counter.
Okay.
No, always it will be related with the PC. In index, you can use any register or not, or 2 or 5 or 6, it's your wish. But relative mode always with respect to PC. See the definition. Immediate mode, where we are having the value directly. Register mode, where the value effective address is placed in the register. Direct mode, where it is in the content of the register is in the memory location. Then indirect mode, I told you, no. The content of content of the register is a memory location. From that memory location, you have to go and fetch. That is called indirect mode. Index mode, what did I tell? Index mode.
There's offset and then there's
the offset where pointer. We will and the register will have the memory location of operand. From that, we have to add the offset to get the operand value. Base with index, where two register will be added to get the effective address. Base with index and offset, two register with the offset will be added to get that. Relative mode, content of PC will be added with the offset to get the effective address. This is a basic definition for all the things. Any doubt?
My doubt is still not clarified, one. So the offset in index mode, offset and the pointer. So you have offset which will move the PC from its current location to the incremented location, right?
No, I didn't understand, Rohan. What you're telling? Which mode you're telling?
The index mode, ma'am. So there's so its format is instruction, offset, and then the pointer, then register, right? So way I understand.
No. Offset with the register content. Content of the register will be added to get the index mode. Effective address. EA is nothing but effective address.
Sorry, ma'am.
EA is nothing but effective address.
So content of register is added to the offset.
Okay, any doubt? So these are things you revise. Auto increment, auto decrement, I will teach you in the next class.